You can't sit there and do that. I know it easy, though. That ain't gonna teach you how to do it. Hands on.
Okay. So you're going to the long ends?
Yep.
Oh, one on one end and one on the other on the long side. Okay. See, that's what gets me is you tucked it in there.
You gotta put it in the seam where
Okay.
the cuff is.
All
When
right.
you buy them, that's how they come.
And that's the
Same thing.
okay.
All on by the seam.
Gotcha.
You take it and put it over by the seam.
All right. So you do it
You gonna
again.
make a box. Brandy could have taught you. Brandy,
Uh-huh.
oh, she's better than any. Her and my daughter and Tina.
Show me how to do it.
These
Fitted
fitted
sheet.
sheets. Brandy can show you how to fold some sheets. Her and my daughter and Tina, they the masters, and Tracy now. And Merlin.
If I can get it to that point, I'll be good.
And that's all you really do.
Yeah, I did it for a long time. And you know, when I come over here, Byron looked at me one day when I was working, just while he was cleaning rooms. I'm back there folding, and he goes, "Oh, you ain't got to do nothing back there. Just sit up front." I said, "That's not what I do."
Oh, no. You got to train them
Gotcha.
right when they come in here.
Thank you.
That's it.